Okay, great. Can you see my screen?
I can see your screen. Yes.
All right. Say that one more time.
So yeah, so there was a few times I almost got out,
Mm-hmm.
but I had the SMA up, and I noticed that it was the candles were still staying above the SMA.
Right.
But I was noticing the volume bars, and I was noticing the MACD zero lag.
Mm-hmm.
It was going up and down, but the candles were on top. So I said that must be why he's not getting out.
Okay. I want you to do something because I forgot to tell you too. The MACD lag, take it out.
Like, take out MACD. Okay.
Yeah, take out MACD. The RS, you see this one here, RSI 14?
Yeah, I have that one,
You have that one? Okay, great. The SMA?
Yes, I have SMA, but I don't know if I have the right one. Let me see which one. Hold on.
Mm-hmm.
Let me open it up. I don't know if I have the right one. Because I messed up all of my lines and stuff on my trading view. I had to create them all over again.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, and I said I don't know what I'm doing. Eldora's a good help to me though. Okay, let me open it up again because I had shut everything down. I got on the couch and watched some TV. Okay. I think I'm getting out of my trades too early.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna show you.
Scared.
There's some things that is inevitable where institutions come in and just drop the crap out of it. But there's times where people are just like selling off because they're in profit and they just want to sell off real quick.
Okay, so on my indicators, I'm gonna take off the MACD.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then I have the ORB 5 minutes.
Yes.
And I have the stochastic RSI.
No, take that out.
Okay. And then I have
this, the RSI 14?
No, let me put that on there.
Okay, put that on there. I want you to be as simple as possible with this.
RSI 14. And that's the doji emoji?
No, I'm going to show you right now. Was it this one? This one here that says updated?
Hey, hold on again.
Yeah, that's the one.
Okay, let me do it.
Just type in RSI.
Uh-huh.
And then you're going to see one that says RSI index. The first one is going to say updated.
I don't see updated. Relative strength index.
Yeah, relative strength index. And then next to it is going to say updated.
I don't see that at all.
Did you type in RSI in the search bar?
I typed in RSI. Let me do it capitals. RSI, see if that makes a difference. RSI. Okay, I see it now. Updated.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
click on that.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Now what you want to do is, let me see if it set it up. Go here to the settings.
I got a whole lot of stuff on here. I might even take something else off. Okay, RSI 14 close. I'm going to settings.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. All right. Make sure everything is just like this.
Time frame chart checked. RSI 14 close. SMA 14.2. Yep, that's it.
That's good. Okay, perfect. Do you have a white screen or a white background or black background?
I have a black background.
Black background. Okay, so go to style and set it up how you want to set it up so you can see it.
Okay, so my RSI right now is purple, but I usually use yellow and whites.
Okay, use yellow and white. So the RSI is white, and the RSI based MA will be yellow.
Okay. What about the other ones? I need the other ones?
Yeah, everything else you're not going to use.
Okay, gotcha.
Unclick, Bollinger Band and all that. Unclick all that.
Okay. Okay, so all I have clicked on style is RSI, mine is white, and the RSI based MA is yellow.
Okay, great. Now, you see these dotted lines right here?
Mm-hmm.
Can you see them on your screen?
Okay, let me see.
One should be on a 70 and one should be on a 70. The 70, like for me, the 70 is red. The middle RSI is the 50. That's a little grayish. And then the lower band is 30. So these three lines.
Yeah, I don't see it. Okay, hold on 1 second.
Mhm,
RSI. So you still have the RSI upper band checked.
mhm.
Upper band check. I had unchecked everything. Okay.
Oh, no,
Middle
no.
band, lower band. Okay. And then background. And the Bollinger Band. Okay, so yes, so I have everything checked now.
Okay.
So I'm looking for these lines. So I see these lines here.
The lines, you want to make them bright as possible. So the
Okay.
bands, if you want,
Is it
you know, you can make them a pink or something in the bottom, the top pink, bottom green, however you want, something bright.
okay. Upper band, I want to make it bright, so I'll make it orange. Okay, and then the middle band, I'll make it pink. And then the lower band, thank you for this. Let me see. I don't want to do a purple show up. No, purple won't show up. Okay. Okay, they all here.
Okay, now press OK. All right, so yours should be something like this on the 5 minute on Google.
Okay, I'm on Google. Let me stretch everything out now. I'm taking MACD off.
Mhm. I want you
Why you
to
don't
be,
like?
I'm gonna explain why. I want you to be simple as possible. Just this and the orb and the 3 SMAs.
Okay, so I need to look at my S. So the R14 SMAs. So I don't need the 20, 50, or 200 SMA.
No, you need no.
I take that.
Well, no. This is an indicator itself. This whole thing, RSI 14. Okay, leave that. Then these up here. What do you have? I have the 9, 20, and 50.
So I have the 20, 50, 200.
That's why. That's why. Okay, I want you to put it to 9.
Okay, how do I change it to 9?
Okay, go up and go to the settings.
Okay.
And then go to inputs.
Inputs.
And then the length, you can change it. You can change it up or down, however you want.
Okay.
Go to 9, go to 20, and go to 50. And I'll be right back. I got to check something.
Go ahead, huh?
All right, I'm back.
Hold on, I'm not ready yet.
Okay.
3S MMA is what I should. I didn't even have that up there. MMA. Okay, and so that first, the 3S MMA is the cross up plus factual. Factual. Is that the right one?
Let me see. No, it's going to say put 3 smooth moving average.
Okay, 3. Moving average. Okay. Okay, I have that. And then I'm gonna go to the settings. Okay, so my length is going to be
9.
This is going to be 9.
20.
Okay, 20.
and 50.
50. Okay. Making sense now. Okay. I need to make them color bigger color.
Got it?
Almost.
Okay.
Gotta change all the colors.
Colors.
Okay, I am in business now. Ooh, a lot on here though. Maybe I made them too thick.
Too thick? Okay, then go. You could go back in there and then go to style and then click on style.
Okay.
I mean, click on one of the plots, click on it, and then all the way down the thickness, you can put it down to the least thickness.
Okay. Okay, yeah, that's better. Ooh, that was like a mess. Yeah, okay. Somebody go in the shop. Okay, so I have but I have volume up. I have the
The orb.
I have the orb. I have the Starch RSI, and I have the RSI 14.
Take out the stochastics.
Out. Access is gone. Okay, I need the volume on still. Okay, and then I'm going to change my lines of my RSI 14. They're too thick.
Okay.
Okay, let me just change that real quick. Okay. Okay, I think I'm in business now. Let's see the yellow line. Hold on 1 second. This yellow line. The base. So which one is the most important one that I'm going to be looking at?
I'm gonna explain once you finish.
Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm ready now.
Okay. So
I'm gonna save it.
Yeah, save it.
Okay, I'm ready.
All right. So here's the thing that I want you to look at every morning.
Okay.
Okay. Every morning at 9:30. Okay. The first candlestick, the first 5-minute candlestick is what you call the orb. This is the open range breakout. So this will be the range throughout the whole day because of the first 5 minutes.
Okay.
So what that means is for us, what that means is anything like 2 candlesticks green that goes above the orb, we play calls.
Okay.
Okay. Anything that's 2 candles that's below the orb, we play puts.
Okay.
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 But there's criteria that needs to be met first before we go into the play. The first criteria is before we go to a call, you see these 3 lines?
Yes.
It has to be under the candlestick.
Okay. Now show me the line again.
The SMA lines.
Oh, SMA lane. Okay. Okay.
So let's go into a call. Let me go into a call. Okay. For instance, let's say this is the previous day orb, right? This was yesterday's orb. So in order for us to go into a call here, okay, all these 3 lines has to be below the candlestick.
Okay, I see it.
That means it's going to be an uptrend.
Okay.
All right. So, okay, this candlestick broke out and this candlestick broke out, and it's above the orb, number 1, and it's above all 3 lines.
I see it.
Okay. Then we go for a call. But there's one more thing I want you to check before we go into a call, and that's the RSI SMA indicator. All right. That RSI has to be above this yellow line or pink line or whatever you have. That is the SMA line. So that line, the RSI line, has to be above the SMA line. So that's all three confirmation for us to go into a play.
And that's your black line you're talking about.
Yeah, the black line has to be above the yellow.
Gotcha. Okay, I got it.
The black line is the RSI, and the yellow line is the SMA line.
I got you.
Okay, so three things has to happen. Number one, the candlestick has to be above the orb.
Yes.
Number two, the candlesticks has to be above the SMA, the 920 and the 50.
Okay.
And number three, the RSI has to be above the SMA.
Okay, that makes sense.
Okay, and as you can see, let me grab a tool. As you can see, if we would have got in here, all this is above this candlestick. Then if you go right here, you can see that the RSI is above the MSA.
Right.
SMA, I'm sorry. So all three is in conjunction with each other. We'll play calls. Now, if we would have played a call here at the closing of this, we would have ride it actually all day.
Okay, I see, because it stayed above.
It stayed above, yes. Now, how do we know when to get out of a play? This is very important. When I tell you guys like to hold or hold or stay, I'm looking at, I go to the 1 minute quickly, and I look at certain criterias on the 1 minute. Let's go back to the 5 real quick. So if we would have got in the play at, let's say at 11:50, okay, then we would have went to the 11:50 mark. Give me 1 second. All right. So we went to 11:50. Let me take this out real quick. So we would have found 11:50. So right here, we would have got in. This would have been our call, because on the excuse me, on the 1 minute is the same thing. It's above the orb. It's above all three SMA line.
Yes, I see.
Right, and then boom, right here.
It's above.
On the 1 minute, it's above the SMA. The RSI is above the SMA. So that would have been our entry.
Okay.
Now here's how we stay in the play. Or I tell you guys to, oh shit, I fucked it up. Or I tell you guys to stay in the play. I look at the 1 minute only. I look at the 1 minute and see how the 1 minute is reacting. The thing that I look for is for any candlestick to not go under the 50.
Okay.
Okay. It may dip down a little bit. It may dip under the 20. It may dip under the 9. That's perfectly fine, because it's retracing. Remember, always retrace. They always retrace. People may have bought here, made some profit here, and sold off. So when they sell, of course, the price is going to go back down.
Right.
Okay. So always jump ship. Right. They jump ship or whatever the case may be. So always look at that. Okay. You might see this go down and up. Don't worry about that, because the main thing you have to see if it's still above this 50 SMA line. And if it's above that 50 SMA line, it's going to ride out. Now, once 2 candlesticks go below it, that's when I'll say, you know what, let's get out of it.
Okay, gotcha.
Okay, but how we ride just like this. And this is how we did with Google. We just rolled. Yes, it was going down a tad bit. Okay, I told you guys to stay, and then I was sending you pictures on what I was seeing.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? As I look at the 1 minute, it's good. Just keep stay, hold, and we were holding until that price fell a little bit towards the end. Yeah, towards the end, and that's when I told you guys to get out right here.
Okay, and that's why I said, I wanted to see it. Yeah, okay. So once you're in it and you're watching it, you're gonna stick with the 1 minute. You might glance back at the 5 minute, but the 1 minute is what really telling you what to do. Yeah, 1 minute is really telling you what to do. Yeah, I always glance. Definitely at the 5 minutes, see where everything is at. Okay, if it's still above, it may dip down. Even if it dips down, it may dip underneath.
You see how it dipped right here a little bit? It went in and dipped, but yet
Right.
it's still over the SMA. So that means it's
I
still
got you.
in an uptrend.
Okay.
So you always have to watch this too. If it's still over the SMA, that means it's still good in the uptrend. If it dips a little bit, then we go back to the 1 minute real quick and see why is it dipping. Okay, it's dipping here a little bit, but yet it's still over the SMA.
That's good. Yeah. Mm-hmm. And you
Okay.
always use the Hakanashi candles, always?
I don't use, well, even with the 5 orb, I don't use the Hakanashi anymore.
Okay.
Here's why I don't use the Hakanashi, because of institutions. And institutions at any given second, institution would like to buy in or buy out and make the price go down. With the Hakanashi is a smooth candlestick. Okay, it smooths it out. It doesn't show those intimate details where people buy in, buy out real quick. It doesn't show that. It shows the smoothness. Now, I still use the Hakanashi when I do swings or long term or like 6 months or so, or if we play a car for like 2 months or 2 weeks or next week or something like that. That's when I use the Hakanashi. But when I'm in the 1 minute, when I'm in when we're in the day trade, we have to see exactly what the institutions are doing, how they're operating, how they're doing, because they're looking at this too.
Okay.
They definitely looking at this. They know exactly when to go in and when the price is at a certain threshold and buy it. So they always buy low and sell high. Okay. So they buy low here, and if it's high, and remember, they don't just buy one contract. These bad boys will buy, $1 million worth of contract. So that, let's say that $100 we may get from here to here, it may be $80 million to them.
I got you.
So they get in and out because they just made $50-60 million. So they get in and out real quick.
Yeah.
This is what we look at on the 1 minute to see how they're doing it. They're buying in, boom, selling. They buy again, they sell, go down at the low point, buy again, sell, buy again, sell, and that's every single minute that they do that.
Wow. Now the candles, are you looking at the candles with the tails and all that kind of stuff, the wicks and?
At the 1 minute, I really don't, because the only thing I'm worried about on the 1 minute is if it crosses these thresholds.
I got you. Makes sense.
You know what I'm saying? Now, here's how I look for a play. I go to the 1 hour time frame. When I go to the 1 hour time frame, I don't use this. I don't use the orb, because the orb, of course, is the 5 minute time frame. Always remember that. So you're not really going to see anything. So I minimize the orb and I look at this. I look for a crossover, a golden cross or a golden or a death cross. Okay, so the golden cross was here and it was crossing. It was around 11:30 or so that it was crossing. We got in, what time we got in? 2? Yeah, so we got in a little late. I saw this, but then I went to FedEx and I went to AAL, so I was looking at other stuff for the team. I didn't really catch this until late.
Right.
But when I caught it, I was like, okay, it's time to go in. We're going to make some money real quick, because everything was above on the 1 hour, the golden cross, that 9 was over the 20. That was perfect. Then over here, that RSI, that SMA, I'm sorry, that RSI, the black line was over the yellow line. So that's an uptrend move. So everything was in conjunction with each other. And that's when I told you guys to go in. But before I told you guys to go in, I then went back to the 5 minute, see how everything was going. Then for entry and exit, I look at the 1 minute real quick. If I see a retrace real quick like this, and then it's going up, and then once it cross here, that's when we go in.
Okay. It makes sense. It makes sense.
Okay, because I don't want to go in where, for instance, like this. I don't want to go in here where, it is in an uptrend, but then all of a sudden, last minute, you see what happened? It is in an uptrend, then last minute, boom, it retraced it. So if we would have gone in, let's say right here, we would have lost money because it went all the way down here.
Yeah, we did.
Okay, same thing here. You're thinking that it was going to pass. We'll go in here too early and boom, we'll lose. So I always make sure I get all confirmations. If once it's above this a little bit, that's number one. Number two, once all this is above the SMA lines, that's 2. And then number 3, it has to be above the orb.
Okay. Okay. Because I know
Once-
that. I know. Yeah, I know I was getting in too soon and getting out too soon. Because I knew I saw the play, especially on puts.
Yeah. And that would have been perfect with what you had the other day. FB? Was it FB or?
No. I can't remember right now.
The puts. You said, oh, I knew it. I knew it.
I knew it. I saw it. I saw it the whole ride down. And it rolled down for like an hour almost.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. How you make your colors on the on your orb 5? That color?
The pink, well, I have the white background, so it's definitely different.
So
All you have to do, yeah, go to settings. And then
visibility?
No, not visibility. Was it inputs? No, style. Always go to style. And then first thing to do is the background. You see the orb background?
Yes.
All right, go here and click on it and give a color that will stand out behind the black.
Okay. Oh, I got it on 3%. Okay. Okay, I see it now. Okay. I got it now.
Okay, so once that happens, then all you have to worry about is just the lines up top. I usually do green and red because, of course, if it's over green, that's calls, and anything red down, that's puts.
Okay.
But you can change any color you want just to match the background so you can see it.
Okay, gotcha. I'm gonna do what you do. I'll make money like you.
Okay. So I have another secret. I want you to master this first. I have another secret that I want to show you, but I want you to master this. You and Eldora master how to look at certain things, especially with the SMAs and the RSI. I want you to definitely master that. The next step on this here is beautiful. Remember, I asked in the room if you guys know how to use Fibonacci retracement. Yeah,
I don't, but I watched the video. But I didn't know how to actually get on the right mark.
I'm gonna watch help you with that and get other videos. Let me show you what I found today when I was doing something on the Oracle. Okay, Jess was talking about Oracle earlier, right? She was like, Oracle's pushing. What I did was I go to the 1 hour. I don't do anything else. Well, I definitely look at, you always definitely got to look at the daily. But I looked at the 1 hour, especially when we're doing day plays. I looked at the 1 hour and I saw something very interesting. Let me click this out.
You start with day, then you go to 1 hour.
With the 1 hour, this is where I want you guys to put the Fibonacci retracement. All right, but I don't want you to. I'm just going to show you what I saw, what I'm seeing. This green line, this light green area here, this is what's called a sweet spot. I know when you watch your videos, they'll say there's a sweet spot in any Fibonacci. So this is the sweet spot. The 61.8 and the 50% here, this is the sweet spot. So what I saw, I retraced, it's basically you have to find where the swing begins, because there's always a swing. There was a low swing and a higher swing, low swing, high swing, and then a low swing. All right. You have to basically match from the lowest swing to the highest previous swing. Okay. This is a 1 hour. So that's what I did. Okay. When I did that, what I saw was this sweet spot that's going on where you see how it just basically bounced off that line and it kept bouncing before it goes up.
Right.
Okay. And then of course, after it went to the top of the Fibonacci retracement, it went all the way back down. But now it's picking up again. And what I'm seeing is it might do the same previous reaction that's going to happen here. So this is what I'm gonna have Jess look at tomorrow. So this is the 1 hour. If this bad boy pushes up more, then we're going to look for some calls up to, let's say, around $78. So if it passes that, let's say $77 or so,
it's going up.
Yeah, we'll do a call to about $78, $79 because this is the
Okay.
last time where it hits. That was back in March 3rd. That was 7 days ago. So
Okay.
ever since then, it's been on a downtrend, but it's trying to pick up. Now, here's the beautiful thing again that I saw. What do you think it is, real quick?
Okay.
Just by
wait a
looking
minute.
at it.
So just by looking at it, I see the cross, the golden cross.
That's it. That's
Yep.
it. That's it right there. It's golden cross. So that right there, for a fact, that's bad boy is going to go up to some more tomorrow, right? It's golden cross, and then it's above, right? It's above the SMA line, so and it's pointed upwards. So it look like it's going to get some good stuff. Oh shit! Tomorrow,
earnings.
Oh shit! Tomorrow's earnings.
Because I saw when Just called it, and I did play it on my little charts that I had already on there. So I got like $25 this morning off of it.
Oracle?
When she called it. I got money off Oracle today.
Sweet.
But what I did today, I got in and out of about 6 different trades, just trying to learn the flows. I even got into a forward put, and then when it started going down, going up, I got into a call.
Right.
I did a different expiration. And so I made money both ways, a little bit of money, but I made money both directions.
That's what's up. That's what's up. You're getting it.
Yeah, I'm trying. That made sense to me. I said, okay, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm just gonna watch it. So
yeah, once it go up, and then with the 1 hour, that's when you have to look at the patterns.
Okay, 1 hour.
There's different patterns. Yeah, we'll go into that next time, but that's when you definitely have to look at the patterns to see what's going on. But I'll teach you more about we'll go over more about the patterns, and I'll post some stuff about the patterns later on. But before you even learn about the patterns, you can just learn more about the Fibonacci retracement on the 1 hour. That will save time on where the stock will be heading. And of course, with the 9, 20, and the 50 SMA is a beautiful thing.
Okay, so I'm not going to do it just yet, but in the indicators, where do you see that one at? I'm not going to put it on yet because I want to master what you just showed me.
Oh, no, it's right here on the side.
Oh, on the side right there. Oh, okay, gotcha. That's it right there.
Here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And once I set it, all I do is save it. So I know for a fact I can look at it tomorrow and say, oh, okay, it went this way, it went that way, it went this way. So earnings might, what time? Is it in the morning? Let me see, earnings.
You have to set your own figures on the Fibonacci?
Yeah, I'll show you how to set that up. It's quite complicated a little bit how to set it up, but I'll show you how to set it. Let me see the earnings. When is the earnings? It's not telling us. I think it's probably in the morning. Actually, I can do this. Friday. Oh, it's not even up here.
I thought Oracle did have earnings. I saw it on there. You don't see it?
Oh, right here,
yeah,
Oracle.
Right there.
Oh, that was today. Oh, let me see.
Today after hours. Yeah.
Oh shit. Let me see something.
See what they did. See what they did.
Let me see. Oh shit. Let's see. Oh, they're up a little. Well, they were down, but they're back up now. They're back up. All right. Let me do this.
I don't know how to set alarms on a trading view either. I need you to show me that.
Okay. Let's see. 5 minutes. Okay, so this is this. You see this gray box here?
Yeah.
This is the after hours.
Okay.
All right. So this is at 15:55. So at 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, it stopped. Then earnings came in and earnings dropped. And then all of a sudden it's going back up again.
After hours.
Yeah, after hours. So it might go back. Oh yeah, it went back up. Okay, so tomorrow Oracle might be again. Yeah, because it's up there.
You got the golden cross right there. And everything else, the line at the bottom, your black line.
No, it's up there. So let me go back to the regular hours. Okay, so yeah, okay. Oracle might be a play tomorrow.
Okay, we're gonna watch it. And how do you pick what strike you go on? You just look and see like the
Well,
open
since it's
interest?
tomorrow, I'll probably do a next week strike the closest. So if it's like $76, I'll probably do now. It all depends on, of course, a stock. When you pick the stock price or the strike price, you have to know how much it moves on a daily basis.
Okay.
So let's look at that. So Oracle on a daily, you see, we'll look at these numbers right here.
Okay.
So today only made it close 55 cents. Previous day was $2.77. Next day, 99 cents, $2.17. So I would say about $1.50. $1.50, $2 averaging, because you know $1.54 here, $2.30 here, $1.65 here, 45 cents here. So yeah, averaging about $1.50. So right now it's at 70. It closed at 76.65 right here. If you see it, it closed at 76.65. So we'll probably do like an $80 call.
Okay.
Because I know some of the depending on the stock, it may go increments of $2.50 or $5.
Okay. And then you look at the open interest as well, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. All right. Do you ever play in the money?
Sometimes, if it's cheap enough. Yeah, if it's cheap enough and it moves fast, like Google, we'll play. But sometimes in the money is expensive, like crazy.
Expensive, I know. Oh my God.
Yeah, but I know for a fact how, for instance, like Tesla, Google, Microsoft, all these right here, how they move fast. So I'll go $40, $50 out the money, or $100 or $200 out the money, and still make money.
You will. Yeah.
You know, even with Google today, I put $27.50.
Right, I saw that.
I put $27.50. Yeah, and it moves. See, like it moves $126 on a daily, $110 sometime. But on average, the good prices, they move over $100.
Yeah, I thought it would have moved more than it did today. I thought it would.
So that's why I went out more where it was cheaper, where even if we lose, we won't lose money.
Right.
Versus we go in the money and it's like $5,000.
I know, and then you lose it faster.
Yeah. So I rather make some money versus losing everything.
Yeah, that's how I used to play. Ooh-wee.
And then that's just compound. Every day we compound that added money that we made, $50 here, $40 here every day. By the end of the month, we're gonna be like $3-4 grand up.
That's what I need, because right now, year to date, I'm down $1,000.
Okay.
And I was up 600.
All right, we'll make it happen. We'll make it happen.
We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. And I got all these different colors to the right side of my screen. You just got your colors are just black and red.
What, here?
No, over a little bit. And over some more. Up in that area, yeah.
This here?
I have a lot of different colors. Is that because the colors I picked?
No, it should. What, on the orb? You have the orb up, right?
I have the orb up, yep. And so let's see, I'm gonna snap it right quick, let you see it.
Okay.
I don't like all that different stuff on there. It might be too much going on. Okay, I'm gonna send it to you right now.
All right.
You should get it in a minute now.
Let's see something. What else? We're still down. You texted to me?
You should have it by now.
Not yet. No, I don't have it.
It's still trying to download.
Okay.
and probably my Wi-Fi. Okay, so in my orb,
There we go.
okay.
Why do you have all those?
I don't know. All different colors.
Oh, it's probably the high and the low. It's probably the high and the low of certain things.
I don't need to see that. That's one of the settings.
Let me see something. Settings. The border. Status line.
What is that column called? Do you know? I can Google it and find out.
I'm not sure. Let me see.
Chart, price chart.
Symbol. I'm not sure. Wow.
Yeah. I had it before. I took it off,
Mm-hmm.
but I don't know how to do it again. Every time I make a change, when I put something on, that happens. And I don't need that.
I'll research it for you.
Okay, then you just
See if I could come up with something. Yeah, because I don't see anything.
okay, so on the alerts.
Okay, you know what? Yours don't say bid and ask, right? No.
But it is a label though.
Oh, average, high and low. But yours don't even say anything. Like mine, you see how mine say high, low, average? Like that?
I don't have it on mine.
You don't have yours. Yeah, I gotta look at that. I gotta find out.
I got colors.
Okay.
Okay, we'll look at it later. So setting alert. So I know sometime when I'm gonna watch it and see if it hit a certain mark.
Mm-hmm.
If I'm looking for a dip, I just right click it on the line, and that's how I set my alerts. Is that how you do yours?
No, you could just set it however you want. Let's say add alert.
Yeah.
So you right click it.
Uh-huh.
Add alert.
Uh-huh.
And what you want the alert to do if it's a crossing.
Okay.
Cross up, cross down. You say Groden cross.
Okay, gotcha.
Death cross. Or if you want it to say, okay, if it's over greater than 105, or you want to put, let's say, okay, for instance, let me show you. Let me cancel this. So let's say you're looking at this and you want this to go, okay, if it goes to 107.39, remember how sometimes I put, if the price goes above doom, blah, 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 go to a call. Yeah. So let's say if you want the call to go to $107.44, right? So you go to add alert, and then you just go up here, greater than, put 170, 107.44. How many times you want it to, alert you? Where you want, how the expiration of the alert, if you want it for like 1 day or 2 day, depending if we're doing swings or stuff. And then how to notify you.
Okay, and then you write your message at the bottom, what you're looking for? Yeah. Because sometimes I hear the dings, but I don't know what that alert was. I said, what is that alert?
Oh, when it dings, yeah. When it dings, sometime you'll probably, it'll pop up somewhere, like alert right here. It'll pop up and then you can just look at it.
Okay.
Yeah, it'll pop up. So even if it doesn't pop up or you don't see it, just click on the alert and see what's going on. Or you can go here, I believe. No. Is the alert set up? It'll pop up.
Yeah, because sometimes it'll tell you, like, I watched CVX today, say CVX hit the spot, so.
It'll pop up on the screen, right?
Right, it did,
Okay, good, yeah.
I went to my tab, because I have all my tabs open that I'm looking at.
Good, because you can do it either or. You can notify you in the app, or email, or pop up if you have the screen up.
Okay, gotcha. Okay, and then setting watch lists on TradingView. So I don't really know how to do that.
All right, watch list. We'll probably let me go one.
You have a video. You have a video of that. You probably have a video of that.
You know what? Yeah, there's some YouTube videos I can send you.
Okay, send me a video how to set my watch list.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll do that. That's
All right.
Yeah, but this was good. Thank you. So I have the setup now.
Good.
So we can do this thing.
Let's rock and roll.
Now, when I save this, is it going to pop up on all my tickers, or do I have to do the same settings on everything?
No, once you save it, it'll pop up on everything that you see here.
Okay.
It'll pop up. Let's go to FB. Everything will pop up.
Okay, I have it set now.
Yeah, with everything, but of course with the prices of that ticker. But the format, everything will be the same.
Okay, gotcha. Okay, well, I'm ready then. So if you're gonna send Dora and I that video, right?
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Look at yesterday. Look at MS yesterday. Shit. All day.
It sure did. It did good yesterday.
Morgan Stanley. Wow.
Yeah.
Morgan Stanley did good. All right. Yeah. Let me upload this for Eldora.
Okay. And I'm also looking at the sectors in the morning, like you showed us.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and that's helpful to see which ones.
Absolutely. We'll know for a fact where to go green at.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
We'll know for a fact. Boom, hit green. Then all we got to do in that particular sector, watch your favorite one. I'm going to send you a list, but I have like my top. Well, it's not my top 5 anymore, but the tops that I trade all the time. And then I have the semiconductor stocks, financials like the BACs and the MSs, JPMs, healthcare, PFE, Myrna, EVs, the NEO, LCIDs, and then all the energy stocks that I like to trade.
That's why I want to set up like that, so I can just be ready when it's time.
Just click on it real quick, and then.
What are you doing with Amazon? Are you going to look at that split stuff, or how are you going to play that?
Listen, I thought it was going to be in June or July.
No, it's fast. It's May. You got to be on record.
Yeah, I think I'll buy 2. I'll go ahead and buy 2.
You gonna buy 2 contracts?
Yeah. What is it now?
It's high. It's high.
Damn, and we messed up. Oh, it's 29.
We should have got in on it on yesterday. Yesterday, yeah. Yesterday was better.
Yeah, but over here was 26. The 8th.
Right, but we didn't know it.
Man,
that stuff shut up this morning. Like, man.
Yeah. Yep, it sure did. Shot up to 150. Then, yeah, it shot up. All right, girl.
Well, you have a good night. Thank you for your time. I appreciate it.
You got it. Anytime.
All right. Take it easy. Have a good night.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.